Hi guys, in this video we'll be covering Claude AI. I'm going to make Claude very simple for all of you. इस वीडियो का एजेंडा ये है कि यार you go through this video and you are hands on, you understand okay these are different parts available in Claude AI and this part is to be used for this particular thing, this part is to be used for this particular thing. After that जो भी डर है around Claude and what all new launches have come around it, I think that will be gone. लाइक आई एम वन ऑफ दोज जिसको मतलब कुछ मार्केट में न्यू आता है एंड इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड आई एम नॉट अवेयर, आई एम डैम स्कैर्ड ऑफ इट. आई थिंक मेनी ऑफ यू माइट ऑल्सो बी स्कैर्ड ऑफ इट, बट हाँ इतना कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं है. इट्स प्रिटी मच सिंपल. आई थिंक वन यूट्यूब वीडियो और इवन दिस वीडियो विल हेल्प यू गेट हैंड्स ऑन विद इट. ओके, एंड इसमें क्या नहीं है, मैं से जस्ट यू टू गो एंड एक्सप्लोर. मोमेंट यू एक्सप्लोर डू वन प्रोजेक्ट, आई थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज. जितना इसको डिफ़िकल्ट बताया जा रहा है इतना डिफ़िकल्ट है नहीं है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ वॉट क्लॉड इज़, क्लॉड यूआई इज़. तो यहाँ पे चैट है, सारे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है. मैंने प्रो प्लान लेके रखा है अभी के लिए. ओके, सो इट्स पाई मेरा निकनेम है. सो जनरली आई डोंट प्रिफर दिस चैट विंडो. मैं जनरली डेस्कटॉप प्रिफर करता हूँ. सो डेस्कटॉप पे हाउ डू यू गो हियर एंड यू डाउनलोड. ओके, सो डेस्कटॉप इज समथिंग आई prefer and I will recommend to all of you. So आप यहाँ पे जाके you can download for Mac, then Mac OS, Windows, then Windows. Pricing available. You can see what are the pricing. So currently this is the pricing for Pro and Max. Like you can go try the free one. Once you try the free one and you think okay this is something useful, then I would recommend everyone to try Pro at least once. It's crazy and what it enables is actually very very good. Like it's worth the money. So I would recommend everyone to buy Pro if they can afford it. Yeah. So once you download it, this is how the desktop version looks like. So there are three options that are available: Chat, Cowork and Code. Okay, what is Chat? Chat is just normal, you can chat. Right here there are options available. You can have skills, connectors, research, web search, all of this is available. Just like GPT or Claude, you chat, you can chat here. If you want them to go on the web, search anything, if you have anything for them, you can get it done from here, right? Writing good prompts are very important. Like always remember that GPT is expert, right? He has lot of information, it has lot of specialization. But if you ask it a generic question, it will give you a generic answer. Moment you give GPT or Claude more context, this is who I am, this is what I want to achieve, why you want to achieve it, how you want to achieve it, I think Claude can do a better job only then once it has better context to your problem. So work on your prompt actually. So some of the prompt which I will recommend is, which I follow generally, is goal. I give GPT a goal. Then I give some context, goal, context. Then I give some action. What is the action I would like to have? And then outcome, response. Right? What is the response which I expect from Claude or GPT? Goal, context, action, and outcome, response. Generally 4 points I give in any prompt, and it gives me a better response. I would recommend you all to try this once. Okay. I think most of you all will be familiar with chat. In chat there are skills, connectors, options. I will run through them. You can add any files, photos. I think most of you all will be hands on with the chat option, right? And this is the prompt format which I'll recommend. Let's go to the crazy stuff now. Chat is generally for chatting, Google search, any response you want. It can do a lot of things for you that Google search cannot. Okay. Cowork. So Cowork try to understand like if there is some workflow which you want to achieve, or you want to give control of your laptop to Claude and you want something to be done on your laptop, that can also be done. It is type automation tool type of a thing. Like you can ask him to go on the browser, search particular thing. You can ask Claude Cowork to go on the browser, do journeys for you, make a quotation, bring that quotation for you. You can even ask Claude Cowork to go get flight prices, give it to you. You can ask Claude to make a desktop folder and give a file name. Everything is possible in Claude Cowork. So work in a project, you need to choose a folder. So desktop, I will give it desktop access. It will ask me, do you want to give access or not? It's like I have to give access. Once I give access, it can do anything. Allow. So I say make me a folder Claude. Make me a full folder name Claude. Keep it empty for now. Let's see whether it can do it. It should be able to do it. Thinking. Done. An empty folder Claude has been created. Now let's see whether really it has been created. Now I come to desktop. I see Claude. See, an empty folder is created here. So it can automate. You can ask him to do an Excel file here, do some maths, anything you can do. It has control over your laptop. Okay. So that is what Claude Cowork does. Now another thing that Claude Cowork can do is it can grow on your browser. So there is a connector here, connector Claude in Chrome. For this, you need to download a Chrome extension. So just remember, like if you want it to go on your browser, get some particular things from the browser, you have to download this extension, Claude extension. Okay. So here you can see connectors, Claude in Chrome. So connector, what is it, right? So connectors are type of external tools that you give access to Claude. So Claude, if you give access to connectors, there are many other connectors. Now I go to manage connectors, Claude, GitHub, Google Drive, lot of things are available which you can give access. Okay, if I go to connectors plus, browse connectors, linear, amplitude, law, Figma, lot of connectors are available which you can give access to Claude, Google Drive, Gmail. Okay, so if you give Gmail access, you can directly set whatever mail subjects are there, just reply to them directly. Claude will give and reply to it. Okay. Skills. What are skills? Skills are type of like any repetitive task, right? If there is some prompt which you have to do, or some like just think that on LinkedIn you are a creator, right? You write post on LinkedIn, so you have a certain topic and certain way of writing a piece on LinkedIn, right? So you won't ask again the prompt here, this is the prompt, give me a post, this is a prompt, give me a post. You will make a skill for it, and every time you will call that skill and you will get the answer. Okay, that is the beauty of skill. Let's go to Cowork again. I go here, I go to Cowork. So yes, one of the thing. Now I will say, okay, go to grow.in website and give me topics of all the blocks present there. Let's go. Now let's see what it does. Thinking. Get the tab. So let's see. It is trying to do something here. New tab. See. Let's see whether it is able to do. Allow Claude. Allow for this website. Okay. I'm allowing it. Let's see whether it can do. Oh, it actually went on my site. Okay, and I'm not doing anything. It went on grow. Now let's see whether it is just, this is pure automation. Okay, each text. Let's see whether it can do it or not. So just see, it went on the home page, it went on the blog page. I found a blog page. Let me check if there are more blogs by scrolling down. It is even scrolling down. Crazy, right? It actually gave me all the topics which are there and even the time. Isn't it crazy? So I don't have to go here, I don't have to read. So just think of use cases that you can do through Claude Cowork, right? Just pure automation. Like this could also be done with code, but it has just done everything automation, right? And what are the useful things? So skills. So if there is any skill, you can directly call a skill. Okay. So you can directly call a skill which is available. Skill creator is a skill actually that is available. So if there is a skill, like every day I want to know which blocks are there available, I can make a skill to fetch the block. I will just call the skill here and it will do the rework for me. So that is something Cowork can do, right? Let's come to the code. Coding is again like if you want to code, Claude Code is for that use case. So you can directly add a folder here, like whatever folders are there, you can directly add the folder and you can write the code. Generally, I am not used to this interface. So what I do is I generally go to my anti-gravity setup. Okay, so anti-gravity is a tool that I use. I go here, I have installed Claude. So I just call Claude here and my Claude starts. So this is how I use. So here only I give it anything, like if I do this here, everything is available, right? Skills is available here. Skill might be there here only somewhere. See, skills are available here. So even if some skill I have made there, I can call it here. Okay. Anything I want to do, like make me a website, it will be able to do. Okay. I have to just click enter here, it will be able to do. So that is Claude Code basically. And how to install Claude Code? It's very simple. You don't have to struggle. Just go here on your Claude. Go here. Go to chat. Say how to install Claude Code. Okay. It will give you an answer. It's reading Claude Code installation info. Here's how you install. Max some plan is required for you to buy. You can take this command, paste it. After that, your Claude is ready. Then you have to just run Claude and it will start working. Okay. So I think hopefully it's clear. The three parts: chat, Cowork and code. These are the three different use cases which are available. You should know which to use when. Okay. Skills are important. External tools calling is important. Okay. So connector option that is available is important. You can access all the external tools. Skills are important. So whatever you're repeating, you can create skills. I think this is the entire walkthrough for Claude. And I think after this, you all know the use case. Now you have to just go and explore it. Yeah. So that's all, folks. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and if you have anything, please ask. Yeah. Bye.